Something decent, I think. Beautiful red. Thanks for swimming right into the net. Perfect. Oh yeah. Nice red. Straight down. There we go. There we go. Looks like that one's still there we go. Oh, that is a awesome snook. Look at that. Holy crap. Holy crap. Oh. Heck yeah! That is a nice freaking snook. Fat. Good lord. Big old squirrel butt. Heck yeah! Oh crap. Oh, come on! Broke my rod. Almost went over. No! No! Is there a dead body on board?